another holy, another. Ne rang tike deli. Once in a year, again another holy, another holy. Take it deli, take it deli, take it deli. Once in a year, again another holy, holy.